When it comes to home defense, the right weapon can make all the difference. But did you know there are non-lethal options out there that can keep you safe without escalating violence? In this list, we're going to break down the best tactical shotguns and launchers for 2024 so you can make an informed choice based on features, performance, and reliability. From air rifles to paintball markers, there's something here for every need. Stay tuned till the end where we'll reveal which one stands out as the ultimate winner. 5. Byrna TCR Ultimate Bundle Tactical Compact Air Rifle. Coming in at number 5, the Byrna TCR Ultimate Bundle Tactical Compact Air Rifle offers a non-lethal option that's both compact and versatile. With its military-included design and included accessories like a Byrna-branded rifle bag, CO2 cartridges, and 2 magazines, it's a full-fledged package. The TCR uses 12-gram CO2 cartridges and can fire kinetic projectiles at an impressive 300 feet per second, reaching targets over 75 feet away. Users appreciate the solid build and customizable Picatinny rail system, which allows for easy attachment of accessories. But compared to others like the Byrna Mission 4, the TCR has a smaller shot capacity per CO2 cartridge and isn't as effective over longer distances, especially when compared to the Mission 4's ability to reach up to 100 feet. Still, its portability, ease of use, and affordability at $799.99 make it a strong contender for those who need a compact solution for both defense and training. What do you think of the TCR? Let me know in the comments. Umarex T4E HDS Shotgun 0.68 Caliber Training Pistol Paintball Gun Marker. Next, at number 4, we have the Umarex T4E HDS Shotgun 0.68 Caliber. This CO2-powered double-barreled marker is designed for both realistic training and home defense. Capable of firing 0.68 caliber paintballs, rubber balls, or powder balls, it gives users the flexibility to choose their ammunition. The HDS is equipped with a selector switch to choose between firing one or both barrels. The break-action design allows for quick reloading, though firing both barrels simultaneously can cause a significant drop in velocity, affecting the performance. Priced at $159.99, the HDS is more affordable than some of the other products on this list. However, its heavy trigger pull may limit rapid firing, and its velocity suffers when both barrels are used. Still, its versatility, compact design, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for home defense in close-quarters situations. But when stacked up against the Umarex T4E HDX 68, which offers more ammunition capacity, the HDS might feel a bit underpowered in certain scenarios. What's your take on this one? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Umarex T4E TR 68 Revolver. In the third spot, we have the Umarex T4E TR 68 Revolver, a powerful CO2-powered paintball marker that's perfect for training, self-defense, or recreational use. The TR68 delivers sufficient power at approximately 198 FPS, making it reliable for personal defense. Its 0.68 caliber rounds ensure good impact, especially when used with rubber or powder ball. One of its standout features is the integrated Picatinny rails for accessory attachments like tactical lights or optics. However, some users have reported issues with paintballs breaking inside the barrel, but using higher quality projectiles can resolve this. Compared to the smaller TR50 Gen 2 revolver, the TR68 offers more power but is bulkier, which may make handling less comfortable for some. Priced at $109.99, it's a solid, affordable choice, especially for those seeking a more traditional revolver-style weapon for home defense. Do you prefer revolvers for self-defense? Let me know in the comments. 2. SABRE Home Defense Pepper Projectile Launcher. At number 2 is the SABRE Home Defense Pepper Projectile Launcher. This launcher offers a non-lethal home defense solution with a powerful punch. Using 0.68 caliber pepper projectiles, the SABRE can incapacitate intruders with its 350 FPS velocity and 60-foot range. The 7-round magazine offers more stopping power, compared to similar devices, and the fiber optic sights improve accuracy, especially in low light conditions. What sets it apart is the pepper cloud created on impact, which affects an area up to 175 feet. Users love how intuitive the launcher is to use, but some report that its size can be cumbersome in tight spaces, and there's a risk of self-exposure to the pepper cloud. Still, for $136, the SABRE is a reliable, affordable option for those looking to protect their home non-lethally. If you're all about effective and safe home defense, this one's worth considering. What's your take on this pepper projectile launcher? Share your thoughts below. 1. Byrna SD Kinetic Launcher Ultimate Bundle. Finally, taking the top spot is the Byrna SD Kinetic Launcher Ultimate Bundle. This non-lethal self-defense tool offers a compact, intuitive design that's perfect for anyone looking to protect themselves without resorting to lethal force. The SD uses 0.68 caliber kinetic projectiles, capable of reaching up to 60 feet with enough force to deter threats. The performance straight trigger and ergonomic grip make it easy to handle, while the included accessories ensure you're ready to defend yourself immediately. The SD's ambidextrous safety and easy CO2 loading mechanism make it a standout in terms of user-friendliness. At $379.99, it's on the higher end of the spectrum, but it's well worth the price for those looking for a portable, powerful, non-lethal option. Compared to other alternatives like the Umarex Glock 17 Gen 5, the Byrna SD is more compact and easy to use, making it ideal for those who are uncomfortable with traditional firearms. What do you think of the Byrna SD? Let me know in the comments below. Winner: Byrna SD Kinetic Launcher Ultimate Bundle. After comparing all of these amazing options, the Byrna SD Kinetic Launcher Ultimate Bundle takes the crown for the best tactical shotgun for home defense. Its balance of portability, power, and ease of use make it the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a reliable, non-lethal defense tool. Whether you're new to self-defense or an experienced pro, the Byrna SD provides a great solution for keeping you and your loved ones safe without risking unnecessary harm. Want to learn more? Check out all the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Stay safe out there. All the links are in the description.